Hi everyone! In this video, I want to show you how to make this gorgeous flower necklace. This is Manori's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And don't forget to like this video please. For this tutorial, I'm using a fine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. Start with a simple stitch. Then make 3 chains. In the first chain, make 1 double crochet. 5 chains. In this hollow spot, 1 single crochet. 2 chains. In the same spot, 1 double crochet. 2 chains. In the hollow spot, 1 single crochet. So once again, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 single crochet would make a petal. Do this 5 times for 5 petals. 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 single crochet. 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 single crochet. 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 single crochet. For the 6th and last petal, make 2 chains. In the 3rd chain of this string we did in the beginning, 1 slip stitch. And now we have 6 petals. And this is how we add another flower to make a cord. Make 6 chains. Skip 3 chains and in the 4th one, make 1 double crochet. Make 5 chains. And now in this hollow spot, 1 single crochet. Again, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 single crochet. 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 single crochet. The third petal is a bit different. Start with 2 chains, now in the third chain of this string here, 1 slip stitch. Two chains, and 1 single crochet. For the fourth petal, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 single crochet. And again for the fifth petal, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 single crochet. For the sixth and the last petal, 2 chains, and in the third chain, 1 slip stitch. And at last you could sew tiny shiny bits at the center of the flowers. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.